All right, here's the dilemma. I've got 4 cans of fruit mix and juice. I think they are pears and peaches, but 3 of them are seriously dented. So unless I want to eat them right now, which I don't, I have to find another use for them. So I think I'm going to make a fruit crisp. So I got the recipe for the fruit crisp topping from the Betty Crocker website. And it calls for 3/4 cup of old-fashioned oats, 3/4 cup flour, half a cup of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and you mix these all up. Get them well mixed. All right, so here's butter, all chopped into fairly small pieces. It is very cold. It was in the refrigerator. I'm going to put it right in with the oatmeal flour and the rest of the ingredients here. I like to use one of these to cut up my pastry. It's got kind of sharp blades here, so I'm just going to stick it right in here and just start going for it. Some people like to use 2 forks or whatever, kind of do it that way, or 2 knives. I find that aggravating. This works best for me. So I'll be back in a second. This is good enough, chunked up. I actually ended up having to go in with my hands because the butter was so tough, but that's okay. I have my baking pan, and I'm going to spray it. This, I think this is Dollar Tree stuff. I love it. Just to maybe help with the sticking. And let's get started with the fruit. I have 3 of the 4 cans opened. 3 of them were dented, 1 wasn't. So I'm going to see how much fruit I end up with these 3 after I pour off the liquid, and if I need more, I will open the undented can. So what I'm going to do then is just pour off the liquid. Oops, already managed to spill some on the counter. That's okay. Don't want any liquid in there. And then I'm going to put that in the pan. And I'm going to do the same with the second one. Pour off the liquid. Put what's left in the pan. And I think 3 cans will be enough. And pour off the liquid. I'm making a mess. Why stop now? And put the rest in the pan. Yeah, that looks fine. Since these are plain right out of the can, I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, just sprinkle some on top, give it a little bit of flavor, wake it up a little bit, just like that. Maybe a teaspoon. And finally, I'm going to put the streusel on top. Just going to lay it. The butter will melt, and some will go into the fruit, and some will stay on top. Such an easy thing to do, so easy to make and so delicious. You can also use canned biscuits for this, or sugar cookie mix. Just make the sugar cookies as usual and just lay them on top. But I had all these ingredients at home, so I thought I would do it this way. All right, I'm going to put them in the 375 oven, and we'll see what we come up with. There it is. There it is. After about 30 minutes in the oven, it was bubbling around the edge and nice and brown on the top. So we're going to let it set for a little while and calm down, then we'll give it a try. I just took a spoonful out, and let's give it a try and see what it's like. I bet it's good. Record, I haven't had my dinner yet, but I don't care. I'm a grown-up. I can have dessert for dinner, right? So let me give this a try. Yummy, yummy, yummy. The cinnamon on the fruit really helped, and the streusel topping's delicious. This is empowering to know you can take several cans of dented fruit that might have been tossed away and turn it into something really, really good and really, really pretty. It's a delicious treat on this cold and rainy night. Hoping that your lives are good. Thank you so much for watching.